I have been trying to figure out pretty much all of my teenage years how not to be poor. My parents didn't have much money while growing up. I never went to fancy locations. So I have been trying to figure out since my teenage life how to become comfortable in life, how to get rich. And there are a few lessons that I have learned along the way and that I want to share with you all. It's actually not that much complicated if you will learn it wisely. And the first principle is that putting money into savings and investments first, right? And for most of the people, the equation is like कि total income equal to spending plus saving, right? कि सबसे पहले जो उनको सैलरी मिलती है उसको खर्च करते हैं अच्छे से, जितना हो सकता है उतना, you know. मिडिल क्लास फैमिली मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वी डोंट हैव दैट मच मनी कि हम खर्च करने के अलावा कुछ बचेगा भी, राइट? एंड आफ्टर दैट जो थोड़ा बहुत बचता है दे ट्राई टू सेव दैट मनी. सिचुएशन इज रियली अपोजिट फॉर द अल्ट्रा क्लास पीपल. फ्रॉम वेर एवर दे गेट मनी, लाइक बिजनेस से, जॉब से, जहाँ से भी जितना भी पैसा आ रहा है दे ट्राई टू सेव सम अमाउंट ऑफ दैट मनी. उसमें से कुछ पैसा दे ट्राई टू सेव इट एंड आफ्टर दैट वट एवर अमाउंट इज लेफ्ट दे ट्राई टू स्पेंड दैट मनी. उस पैसे को वो खर्च करते हैं ऑन ऑल द नीड्स, ऑन द लग्जरी आइटम्स दे वांट टू बाय. So let's just say आपके पास 10,000 रुपए हैं, right? And the middle class or poor people, they try to spend all of the money, you know, so सारे के सारा पैसा खर्च करते हैं on rent, clothes or whatever things they need, right? सब पैसा उस पे खर्च कर देंगे. But एक समझदार इंसान who want to become rich in the future, वो क्या करेगा? वो 1,000 या 2,000 रुपए, whatever the amount they can afford, right? उसको स्टॉक्स में या म्यूचुअल फंड में या इंडेक्स फंड में कहीं सेव करेगा. And these things really work on the principle of compound interest, right? If you will save 2-3,000 रुपए for the 10-15 years of your life, you will not realize the power of this thing, right? अगर आप 3-4 हज़ार रुपए भी per month save करते हैं, so over the period of 15 to 20 years, it can grow up to certain decent amount like 15 to 20 lakhs maybe or maybe more, right? So you should understand the power of compounding. And this also leads to the second principle, and the second principle is that not investing early. You know, try to start investing as early as possible because Warren Buffett starting investing when he was 11 or 13 years old, I think. हम सभी इससे ज़्यादा तो बड़े हैं ही हैं if you are watching my videos, right? कि आप 13 या 11 साल से तो बड़े हैं ही. So start as early as possible. Whenever you have little bit of savings, start investing it, right? This is probably one of the major mistakes that most people do, that not starting investing early. I wasn't really taught anything about investing or stocks or how to become rich in life. While growing up, I didn't have any role models in my life. So I never thought कि like when I was 18 or 19 तब मैं invest करना शुरू कर दूंगा. There is a certain age कि जब आपको invest करना चाहिए. But be mature enough. जब भी आपको लाइफ में समझ आए, try to start investing because जब भी जागो तभी से सवेरा होता है, right? As my plan is to retire early in my life because I don't want to work the rest of my life like कि 60s or 70s तक काम ही कर रहे हो आप. Like because in these days life is not that much long, 90 साल 100 साल जीना is like a dream come true for most of the people. The kind of pollution or the environment we have, it's really hard to survive that long. So the plan is to retire in my 40s and after that enjoy some years of my life. And if you want to retire early, you should know and understand the power of investing. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. And the third principle is that choosing the right career. Most of the times, especially in India, we choose career according to the parents or the society pressure we have. अगर शर्मा जी का लड़का डॉक्टर बना है, then you also have to become doctor or engineer. उसको competition देना है. It's not about the competition, it's about the thing that how comfortable you are with doing that job. If you're not comfortable while doing that job, then what's the purpose of earning money if you're not able to enjoy your life while earning money? पैसे कमाना है, बट पैसे इस तरीके से कमाना है कि जिसको आप enjoy भी कर पाएं. अब किसी चीज़ को आप बहुत hate करते हैं and still you are doing it, तो उस तरीके से पैसे कमाने का क्या मतलब बनता है लाइफ में? I know मजबूरियाँ होती हैं सबकी. Even I do have some those kind of मजबूरियाँ. But if you want to live a comfortable life or want to become a rich, you should select the right career. Because there are some fields where you can't make good amount of money. अगर तो आप कोई ऐसा काम select कर लेते हैं, suppose you want to become a labor, right? You didn't study well और आप labor बनना चाहते हैं. Now there is a cap. The maximum amount of the salary that you can get is like 20,000 or 18,000, maybe 30,000, 40,000, right? But इससे ज़्यादा आप नहीं कमा सकते because you are trading time for money. You need to understand this thing कि time is a limited quantity. time is in limited supply, and if you are trading time for money, you are not going to become ultra rich. कोशिश करें कि आप एक बार जहाँ भी टाइम अपना इन्वेस्ट करें और वहाँ से मल्टीपल टाइम्स आप इनकम जनरेट कर पाएं. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल हु वर्क रियली हार्ड बट दे नेवर बिकम रिच इन देयर लाइफ बिकॉज दे आर वर्किंग इन द रॉन्ग वे. And unfortunately, we live in a world where hard work don't equal to rich or ultra class people. While क्योंकि अगर ऐसा होता तो लेबर को बहुत अमीर होना चाहिए था लाइफ में, but that person is not that much rich. So think twice before you select any career because it really does matter. Try to learn the skills which are high paying skills like communication skill, creating content, digital marketing, copywriting, email marketing, influencer marketing. These are the skills which you can learn. And once you master these skills, there are a lot of money in these sectors. Trust me, I'm saying this with experience or knowledge I have. And the fourth point is that living below your means. Most of the people try to live ultra luxury life while starting off their career. But you should not do that. Just because you earn nice amount of money doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot of money. अगर आप अच्छा पैसा कमा लेते हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप अच्छा पैसा खर्च भी करें. Try to save that money when you are growing up or when you are in early phase of your life, because most of the people, they earn decent amount of money but they still have zero savings because they don't know how to keep that money or how to grow that money, right? Now these kind of people will go broke again if something bad or mishappenings happen. So कोशिश करें कि आप अगर पैसा अच्छा कमा रहे हैं, try to save some amount of money और उसको म्यूचुअल फंड, स्टॉक, इंडेक्स, you can buy property or you can invest in gold, right? So try to invest some amount of money or you will be going to be broke again. And it's not about how much money you make, it's all about how much money you can save. I have seen people जो कि 1 लाख कमाकर भी 10,000 रुपए नहीं बचा पाते, and there are people who are earning 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and they are able to save 15 to 20,000 rupees. Major thing is that how much money you are saving. That is really what matters. And the fifth point is that not focusing on your income growth. Try to increase your income. Try to increase the source of your income. Like if you are earning a decent money from your job, you can do freelance work, right? क्योंकि अगर आपकी सैलरी ही कम है, you won't be able to save good amount of money. अगर आप 25, 30, 40 हज़ार रुपए ही कमाते हैं, you won't be able to save a decent amount of money. So try to master some skills which can pay you good amount of money. The skills I talked earlier like copywriting, email marketing, content creation, or whatever skill you want and you think that is a high paying skill, people are earning good amount of money from those skills, you can learn those skills and just implement those things, right? Even in technical field, like you can learn web development, AI, machine learning, or the chat GPT, how to use chat GPT for your work or how to automate things. These are the things, if you will master it, once you master it, you can able to monetize it very easily. And the easiest way to increase your salary is to switch job, because आप same organization में काम करेंगे, it's really hard to increase much amount of money. You can ask a good amount of raise in your job. Like I have seen people जिनकी salary 8 lakh 10 lakh per month थी and they switched to like 15 to 20 lakhs per month. Like I have seen a lot of people who have 8 to 10 lakh of packages, but they were able to raise like 15 to 20 lakhs per year package. So switch करने में like you can easily raise money. Like I'm also in the current phase of my life where I'm trying to master the skills so that I can earn good amount of money. And the sixth point is that not able to financially literate. Try to learn as many things as possible and try to make yourself a educative and open-minded person. कुछ भी मिले, कहीं से भी मिले, सीख लेना चाहिए life में. What's the point of having money? Because if you are not financially literate, you won't be able to keep money or you won't be able to grow your money. Whatever amount you may earn, right? Maybe maybe आप बहुत अच्छा पैसा कमा रहे हैं, but still you won't be able to become rich because you don't know how to save money, how to grow your money, right? We can see these things from the lottery winners, right? Most of the lottery winners get bankrupt after 3-4 years of winning that lottery because they don't know how to keep that money, how to grow that money, right? So पैसे को संभालना आना चाहिए. अमाउंट आप जितना मर्जी कमा लें, but if you don't know how to keep that money, how to grow that money, you are not going to become rich in life. And same happens with the athletes also. The two famous athletes that I have seen over the time, like Mike Tyson or Diego Maradona, they were one of the best athletes of their time and they earned a decent amount of money while in their career, but they still had filed bankruptcy few years ago. So you should know how to keep your money, how to grow your money and how to save your money, right? And the seventh point that I want to share is spending to impress others. You should never do that. This is a trap that most people fall into, but you don't have to fall in that trap. किसी को दिखाने के लिए किसी चीज को बाय करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है लाइफ में. वाई टू बाय आईफोन ऑन EMIs, राइट? EMIs पर आईफोन लेने का क्या मतलब बनता है? अगर आपका काम सैमसंग से चल रहा है then why to buy an iPhone, right? The famous quote that I want to share with you all is, we don't have to impress people we don't like. अगर आपकी किसी के साथ सोच नहीं मिलती, विचार नहीं मिलते, then why we have to impress that people? Just let that person go ना. Well, I'm not that saying कि आप luxury items को ना खरीदें. It's life is a one-time offer and you should enjoy these things. But while starting out your career, you should not focus on the luxury items. Even if you have a decent amount of money, try to save that money. And once you have retired yourself, you can buy luxury items or enjoy vacations or anything like that. But समझिए कि अगर लाइफ में अगर आप अभी से ही पैसा बहुत ज़्यादा उड़ाना शुरू कर देंगे, you won't be able to save nice amount of money. और आपके पास अगर सेविंग्स नहीं रहेंगी तो लाइफ के लेटर स्टेजेस में you will regret it. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. I hope अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी कंटेंट पसंद आता है, please subscribe to our channel. I'll try to improve my content. I know that कि मैं उतनी अच्छी वीडियोस अभी नहीं बना पाता हूँ, but I am trying to improve myself while making these videos.